Hello and welcome to IB Mathematics. So today we are starting with Unit 1, Sequence and Series. So this is a class 1 and we are starting with the topic Operation with Numbers. So operation with numbers is basically about the scientific notation or the standard form. So in science you often have to deal with very large number like 1 mole, which is equals to 602,000 up to 19 times, and very small numbers like the mass of one electron, which is 0.00017 times 91 kgs, or we can say kilogram. So to make help large and small number more comprehensible, you can use standard form. So like if I tell you like you have to compare two numbers, and I'm writing two numbers, which is this, and another number is 0.00000000890. And if I ask you which number is greater, so it will take time. You will get the answer, but it will take time. But if I write the numbers directly like this, and 4.89 10 raised to power minus 8, so we can directly tell which number is greater or lesser, or we can smaller. Okay, so scientific notation or standard form. So the number is in the scientific form if it is written in the form of a into 10 raised to the power k. So k is the exponent, and the condition for k is that k should be a integer. Okay, or we can say k belongs to set of integers. So this is a symbol for integers, and the condition for a is a must be greater than or equal to 1 or less than 10. So this is strictly less than 10 and should be greater or equal to 1. So the condition for a is this. So directly coming to the topic, we will give a quick revision about some decimal and the shift of decimal. So if I write a number like this, 0.324 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 2. So the answer is, we can write like this, 324 multiplied by 100, because raised to power 2 means 10 is multiplying 2 times, so it is 100. So it is 0.32.4. So we can write it like this also, but for the sake of understanding the concept, I am writing it like this only. So 0.32.4. So the case is when we are multiplying 10 raised to the power 2, then we can say the power is 2. So we are shifting our decimal to the right 2 places. Okay, 1 place, 2 place to the right. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Suppose 3042 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 5. So, but there is no decimal, so we know the decimal is in the last. So what will I do? I will shift the decimal 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will place 0 in the blank places. So my answer will be this, 32420000. So this will be my answer. So it means when we are multiplying with positive power, decimal will shift right. Okay, shift right. Yeah, and if we take an example for negative powers, so the power is 3, so here decimal is this, so the answer will be 3.442. In this case we are shifting the decimal to the left by 3 units. Okay, you can see shifted 3 times or 3 places. So I am shifting my decimal to the left to 3 places. Okay, and if we take an example like this, 4 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 4. So here what will I do? I will shift my decimals. So my decimal is here, so I am shifting my decimal to 4 units. Okay, 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will put decimal here and I will place 0 in the blank. So my answer will be this 0.000034. So I hope you have understood the shift. So when we are multiplying with negative powers, we are shifting the decimal point to the left, and how many places, which is depending on the power of 10. Okay, now like when we are converting our number into standard form, so we have two important things, a and k. So we have to identify my a and k in the question. So let's take an example. So if I'm taking this 142000000, so I have to write this number in standard form. So for a, we need to select the leftmost non-zero element, okay, or non-zero digit, you can say. So here the non-zero digit is 1, and I have to place decimal after this. Okay, so I will write this as 1.42000000. So now we are done. So how many places I have shifted my decimal? So I will count it. So we can count it here starting from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my decimal was previously here. So I shifted my decimal 8 units to the left. So I have to write 10 raised to power 8. Why 8? Because I am converting this number to this. So these two numbers should be equal. So to make it equal, what I have to do? I have to shift this decimal to this point. So how many zeros 10 raised to power 8. Okay, so how many places I have to shift? 8. So I am just using 10 raised to power 8. So I can directly say my a is 1.42 and my k is 8, because I have to shift my decimal to the 8 unit right. Okay, so I have to use 10 raised to power 8. And why I am doing this? Because I have to make this number equals to this, because I am converting this number into standard form. Okay, so I will take one more example. For example, we have 0.0000083. Okay, and we have to convert this into a standard form. So what will I do? First I have to select a. Okay, for a, what will I do? I have to select the leftmost non-zero element. So my leftmost non-zero element is, and I have to place decimal after that number. So I will write this number as okay. Now I have to make this number equal to this. So what do I have to do? I have to shift my decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to shift my decimal to the left 6 places. Okay, so for this, for left I am using negative sign, and for number of times I am using 6. Okay, so my answer is 8.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So my a is 8.3, which is less than 10 and greater than or equal to 1, and my k is minus 6. Okay, that's now we will convert standard form into decimals. So I'll take an example of standard form. This is 8.83 multiplied 10 raised to the power 8. So this is a standard form, and we have to convert it into the decimal. So we already know how to convert this. This is a positive power. So what will I do? I'll shift my decimal to the right to 8 units, or we can say 8 times. So 883. So starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll place my decimal at this point, and I will place 0 in the blanks. Now I can place. So this is my answer. We'll do one more question. 0.83 multiplied by 10 raised to the power let's suppose minus 6. So in this case, power is negative. So it means we have to shift a decimal to the left. And how many places? 6 places. So right now my decimal is here, so I have to shift 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will place a decimal here. I will place 0 in the blanks. Okay, now I'll erase it. So my answer will be 0.00000083. So I hope you have understood converting decimals into standard form and standard form into decimals. Now, so this is an activity, or like it's a critical question to think more. Okay, so can we also write irrational number in the standard form? So this you have to think and comment your answer, okay, in the comment box, and we will discuss this question in the next lesson. I'll tell you the right answer. And this is the practice problem. You can take the screenshot and try. I will post the right answers or the solutions in the Telegram group, which you can join from the description link. And in the next class we are starting with arithmetic sequences and series. So thank you.